Ever notice how the rich seem to play an entirely different money game? It's not because they found some secret money tree in their backyard. They're just playing chess while the rest of us are playing checkers. And today, I'm spilling all their moves. Stay tuned. What's up, Money Minds? Welcome back to the channel where we make finance actually interesting. Look, there's a reason why the top 1% controls about 40% of all wealth. And spoiler alert, it's not luck. And it's definitely not because they're hoarding all the four-leaf clovers. The wealthy approach money like it's a tool, not a goal. And once you understand their playbook, game changed. So stick around because we're diving deep into the strategies that set the wealthy apart. Ready to level up your financial game? Let's get started. Here's the painful truth bomb. Most people treat their paycheck like it's a ticking time bomb that must be diffused immediately. Money in, money out, rinse, repeat, retire, never. We've been trained to get excited about sales, discount codes, and buy now, pay later schemes like they're doing us favors. Meanwhile, the wealthy are watching us like we're reality TV. Entertaining, but they'd never participate. But what if I told you that wealth isn't about how much you make, but about the habits you build? The system is rigged, yes, but only if you don't know how to work it. The wealthy have mastered the game by understanding the rules and playing it differently. They focus on building assets, not just earning income. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. So, are you ready to change the way you play the money game? The average person gets paid, pays bills, buys stuff, and hopes there's something left to save. Spoiler, there rarely is. The wealthy, they flip the script completely. Money comes in, and the first cut goes straight to investments and savings. Not what's convenient, a fixed percentage every single time, no exceptions. It's like they're treating their future self as their most important bill. Imagine that, actually caring about future you. Revolutionary concept, I know. But wait, if they're stashing so much away, how do they still live so well? That's where wealthy habit number 2 comes in, and it's probably the exact opposite of what you're thinking. They budget meticulously, ensuring every dollar has a purpose. This allows them to enjoy luxuries without financial stress. It's all about balance and smart planning. So start thinking like the wealthy and prioritize your future self. Your future self will thank you. Plot twist. The wealthier someone is, the more likely they are to track every dollar. Yeah, even the billionaires, especially the billionaires. While you're over there saying it's just $5 20 times a month, they're reviewing expense reports and questioning every subscription. They don't see budgeting as restriction, they see it as a wealth-building strategy. Remember, rich people stay rich by living like they're broke. Broke people stay broke by living like they're rich. Let that sink in. Now, once they've paid themselves first and budgeted like hawks, here's where wealthy people make their money do something the average person would never dream of. They invest in themselves. They attend seminars, read books, and network with other successful people. They also focus on their well-being, understanding that a healthy mind and body are crucial for sustained success. And they give back, mentoring others and sharing their knowledge to create a cycle of success. It's a continuous journey of growth, learning, and giving back. That's how the wealthy play the money game differently. While most of us are trading time for money, the wealthy are busy making their money multiply like rabbits. The average person keeps money in a savings account earning 0.01% interest, basically paying the bank to hold their cash. Meanwhile, inflation is eating it like Pac-Man. The wealthy? They're building diverse income streams through investments, real estate, and business ventures. Their money works 24/7, no breaks, no complaints, no paid time off. Speaking of investments, forget everything you think you know about how the wealthy invest. Because fact number 4 is about to make your jaw drop faster than the crypto market in 2022. The wealthy understand the power of compound interest and leverage it to their advantage. They continuously educate themselves, staying ahead of financial trends and opportunities. Networking and building relationships are key components of their strategy. They make informed decisions based on data and expert advice. Ultimately, their disciplined approach leads to financial freedom and a life of abundance. Contrary to what YouTube ads tell you, wealthy people aren't YOLOing their life savings into meme stocks or the latest crypto project with a dog logo. They're building wealth through boring, consistent investments that compound over time. Index funds, dividend stocks, real estate, business equity. Nothing flashy, nothing that promises to 10 times in 30 days. They understand that getting rich quick usually ends with getting poor quicker. Slow and steady doesn't just win the race, it builds generational wealth. But all this saving and investing discipline has to come from somewhere, right? Which brings us to the most surprising difference between the wealthy and everyone else. They prioritize financial education and mentorship, ensuring they and their families understand money management. This knowledge is passed down, creating a cycle of informed, disciplined financial decisions. And that's how they play the money game differently, ensuring their wealth lasts for generations. Here's the climax, the moment of truth, the thing that separates the wealthy from everyone else. They're obsessed with financial education. While most people spend hours scrolling through Netflix, the wealthy devour books, podcasts, and courses about money management. They have financial advisors, they attend seminars, they talk about money openly. They're not naturally better with money, they just prioritize learning about it. And they learn not just to know more, but to do more with that knowledge. They apply what they learn. They set goals, track their progress, and celebrate their financial successes. So there you have it. The wealthy aren't magical unicorns born with money management superpowers. They simply 1. Pay themselves first. 2. Budget religiously. 3. Make their money work for them. 4. Invest conservatively and consistently. 5. Prioritize financial education. The good news? Every single one of these habits costs exactly $0 to implement. The gap between you and wealth isn't income, it's behavior. Adopt these habits and you'll be on your way. Let me know in the comments which of these wealthy habits you're going to start implementing today. Not tomorrow, not next paycheck, today. If this video just blew your mind like it should have, smash that subscribe button and notification bell because next week, I'm revealing the 5 investments wealthy people make that the average person doesn't even know exist. Remember, your bank account is just a reflection of your habits. Change those and you change everything. See you in the next one. Stay inspired and keep growing. Before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at how the wealthy invest in real estate. This isn't just about buying properties and collecting rent. It's a sophisticated game that involves strategy, patience, and a keen eye for opportunity. First, high net worth individuals often invest in commercial real estate. Think shopping centers, office buildings, and industrial properties. These assets provide stable, long-term income through leases with businesses. For example, owning a commercial building leased to a major retailer can generate consistent cash flow without the hassles of residential tenancy. Second, the wealthy frequently engage in real estate development. This involves purchasing land, constructing new buildings, or renovating existing ones to increase their value. A prime example is transforming an old factory into modern loft apartments or a mixed-use development. This not only boosts the property's value, but also revitalizes communities. Another strategy is real estate syndication. This allows wealthy investors to pool their resources to buy larger properties than they could individually. For instance, a group of investors might band together to purchase a luxury apartment complex, sharing both the costs and the profits. Additionally, the wealthy often invest in REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Investing in REITs allows individuals to gain exposure to real estate markets without directly owning property, offering liquidity and diversification. Lastly, they leverage tax advantages. Wealthy investors are adept at utilizing tax breaks like depreciation, 1031 exchanges, and opportunity zone investments to minimize their tax liabilities and maximize returns. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the sophisticated world of real estate investments that the wealthy navigate. If you're serious about growing your wealth, consider exploring these strategies and see how they can fit into your financial plan. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and keep pushing those boundaries. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to check out our full playlist on wealth building strategies. And as always, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. Stay inspired and keep growing.